biyaan ako sa mga ug-ug. That's nice. You can rest the whole day. Ah, yes, May 1st. It's a holiday. Is it a holiday there? Here is holiday today. We called it Labor Day, May 1. But public holiday is on May 5. Ah, okay. May 5. May 5 will be on Monday. Monday, yeah? Hey, brother, come here. Come on, my love. Hey, are you patrolling? You've been patrolling at the back? At the gate? Oh my God. I checked today instead of Monday. Ah, okay. That's good. That's nice. You have day off. You sleeping long time, yeah? You sleep very long today. He looks more handsome when he groomed. No, I don't like. I don't like to see him new groom because he looks like the Askal, the Filipino dog. He looks more cute when there's a lot of long hair. When he got long hair, I like. Yes, yes, but sometimes the face need to trim. But I like looking him long hair, with the feet, the body, the tail. But the face looks dirty. When you get long hair, the face looks dirty. But still cute. Brother, look. It looks like an Askal. Brother? Ah, brother. Brother Louis. And Kira is very busy. Look. Look at Kira. Very busy. My goodness, Kira. Oh, see? Look at my plants now. Hmm? Hmm? At 20 degrees there? 28? Why, why it's high today? Very hot for you. 28 here is okay. 28 is okay. For me, it's okay. 28, 27, perfect for me. But for you, I know it's too hot for you. Oh, 28. Oh my God. It's just sometimes to get that high.